Hey everybody, what's up? It's KyleForAwhile. Good morning guys. It is approximately 6 o'clock now. Pretty tired, I'm not gonna lie. I probably got like 4 hours of sleep last night, but it's raining outside right now. My buddy that I'm meeting up with just called me and said, hey, should we still head out? And I'm like, heck yeah, we should still head out. You know, the worst case scenario is we get out there and it's still raining, but hopefully whenever we get there, it'll stop raining so we can go catch some sheepshead, guys. That's what we're targeting today, is sheepshead. I actually entered a tournament at Gopher's Bait and Tackle. I think it's $10 a person, so hopefully I'll get on a big one today if the weather's good. So y'all stay tuned, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you do, smash the like button. If you guys are new here, make sure to subscribe. Alright guys, we're about to meet Donnie and Kaleb. They're already here right now, so let's go see what they're up to. Let's go see if they're tired right now. This is part of the Saltugan squad, guys. If you want to join the Saltugan squad, make sure to like the video. There they are right there, guys. Hey Saltugans, what's up? Alright guys, we're fixing to go talk to the Saltugan squad. We got KyleForAwhile Media over here. What's up, man? Y'all ready to go, dude? What are we going after today, bro? Sheepshead. So we're going after some sheepshead, and then we got Donnie over here. He's part of the Saltugan squad too.
Badass truck on film.
Alright, he can brag about his truck, guys. He just got a brand new. Let's show his license plate off real quick. But yeah, he just got a brand new Tacoma. It looks pretty raw, I ain't gonna lie. What is up, guys? It's your boy KyleForAwhile here. We just made it to the launch, guys. We're fixing to head out and slay some sheepshead. We're here with the Saltugan squad. We got KyleForAwhile Media. We're here with part of the Saltugan squad. The only person we're missing is Yakking with Jack. We're fixing to go out and slay them, guys. All right. It's a little rainy. The weather conditions aren't as good as we like it to be, but we're gonna tough it out and we're gonna get out there, guys. So we'll see you in the kayak. I got a really good feeling about today. It's gonna be a really good day, guys. Well, every day's a good day, but you guys know what I'm talking about. See you soon. I got my first fish. Yeah, he's pretty nice. Come on, baby. My first fish of the day, and he absolutely inhaled it. Ooh. Nice sheepy, man. Nice sheepy. Here, get on there and get it. Nice sheepy. I'm gonna go ahead and put him in the cooler.
Oh, there we go.
Woo!
Right there, guys.
That's what I'm talking about. Thank you, man. Hey, Kaleb, do you mind taking a picture real quick? Guys, first sheepshead of the day. He's probably around 20 inches. That's a nice one. We're gonna go ahead and throw him in the cooler too, because I actually ate the last bit of a sheepshead the other night. I blackened it, so we're definitely gonna toss him back in the cooler, guys. We're gonna get back on the fish, but I think they're starting to warm up now. Beautiful Florida, Pensacola, Florida sheepshead. That's a nice fish right there.
We're in Panama City, bro.
Yeah, we're in Panama City. Let's go and get a measurement on him. He's right at around 18. Beautiful fish, guys. Beautiful. Let's get back on the bottom. It's a good day, guys. Looks like a nice one, dude.
Yeah, it's a nice one. Nice little sheepy, guys. Nice little sheepy.
KyleForAwhile Media is hooked up. Nice sheep, man. Hey, bro, bring him over here.
And they're some of the best eating fish, too. By far, guys.
Dude, he's a feisty one, man.
I know, man.
Bring him on in here.
Bro, he has an old inside of his mouth. Did you see that?
Yeah. There you go.
Nice. Heck yeah.
Nice fish, brother. Hey, let me land him for you. Oh, wait, Don. He's got a nice fish on, guys. He's got a nice fish. Is it? Is it a drum? Hey, get him, bro. Get him.
Wow, watch out.
Get him. Is it a big black drum? Is it? Hell yeah.
Good.
Dude, look at his cheek, man. good? It's
That was
like
probably from when he hit the pylon.
Yeah. Alright. Now, here, Kyle,
It's hard to tell. All I know is I've seen some big sheep's head on these like friggin' drums. Got one. Yeah, I do. That's a nice one too. Yes! Woo! Here we go, guys. That's number 2 right there. I didn't even know he was... Thanks, man. I didn't even know he was hooked. He bit really, really subtle, guys. But that's a nice one. He's probably around like 16, 17 inches. So I think he's going to go in the box, but... Wow. What a fish, though. That's a nice one. Like I said, I didn't even know he was hooked. I just dropped down and I felt my line get kind of tight, and I thought I felt maybe 1 or 2 small nibbles, but I didn't. It was hard to tell if that was what they were. But sure enough, I guess it was a sheep's head. What is going on, guys? It is your boy KyleForAwhile, and I said that we're gonna do a catch and cook sheep's head. So I flayed the sheep's head, guys, and I think I'm gonna do a sheep's head catch and cook on the grill. So, or also called a half shell. So it's going to be freaking phenomenal. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use Key West kayak fishing's recipe. I don't know if it's his recipe, but basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix up some butter and some pesto, some basil pesto. I'm going to combine that, and I'm going to spread it on these sheep's head fillets right here. And then we're going to put it on the half shell on the grill, and it's going to be freaking phenomenal. It's actually going to be the first time I've ever cooked a fish this way, so I'm really, really excited, and I hope it turns out good. So let's go ahead and get this butter and pesto mixed up together. Alright, guys, so the first thing I just did is I put some pesto, just some basil pesto, on these sheephead fillets. I'm just kind of spreading it out evenly. I hope it's going to be good. This is like I said, this is going to be my first time doing it. I don't want to use too much, but I do like pesto, so I'm going to put a little bit more than I think I probably need. So right there looks about good, guys. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some butter. I'm just going to cut some chunks of butter and just set it right on top of them. Alright, guys, we just put the butter on the sheep's head fillets. So there's how it looks right there. Alright, guys, so we just put the butter on the sheep's head fillets, and right now I have the grill warming up. So once this grill warms up a little bit, we're going to get these fillets on there, and we're going to cook us up some nice sheephead fillets, guys. It's going to be freaking amazing. Honestly, I'm really, really pumped, because like I said, this is my first time cooking them this way, so I'm kind of curious to see how it's going to turn out. Right now, it's pouring down rain in Florida, as you can tell. But we got the grill heating up right now. Ooh, oh yeah. Got the grill cooking up. So let's go ahead and get our fillets out here and let's put them on the grill. That is some tasty looking meat right there. Check that out. And we're gonna wait until these things get cooking. Y'all stay tuned. Guys, it's been about 5 minutes. Let's see how the fish is looking. Ooh wee! That fish is looking good right now. Golly, guys, check that out. That fish is looking some type of good. Golly. We just took the sheep's head fillets off of the grill, guys. So let's go ahead and do a taste test here soon. Alright, guys, we're gonna do the first taste of this sheephead on the half shell. Let's try it out. That literally might be the best fish I've ever had in my entire life. I'm dead serious, guys. If y'all catch sheepshead, I'm sure that you can blacken it, you can fry it, you can cook it like this, and it'll still taste good. But this is the first time I've cooked fish on the half shell, and I'm telling you right now, that is phenomenal. Give it a try, guys. I used pesto and a little bit of butter, and I put it on the grill, and it turned out phenomenal. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you like it and you subscribe, guys, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace out.